Hello there and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I'm going to be making Cranberry Woods soap. And those are the colors there. I'm moving them out of the way. It's going to have a red and green swirl, and I'm going to leave part of the soap the normal color without adding any extra color into it. And I'm adding the lye water there, and then I will blend this up. If you saw my previous video, you'll know that I had some technical difficulties. Some of the footage from this video, the previous one, and some of the future ones was corrupted and lost. So, please bear with me while I try to patch together some videos here and do the best I can with the footage I was able to save. So here I'm just mixing up the batter and adding in the fragrance. This smells really, really good. It has, of course, a woodsy smell to it. You definitely can smell the cranberries. It's a really nice fall scent, and I think it smells really great. So I'm going to mix it in here. It does end up giving the soap a little bit of a yellow tinge, which is really nice, actually. It works well with the colors I chose. And so here's the second container. I'm going to pour some off. And then I'm going to pour some more into a third container. This should be it over here. And so the main part of the soap is going to be this neutral color. It's kind of, like I said, it's going to have a little bit of a yellow tinge. And then there's going to be a little bit of red and a little bit of green. Then we'll also be putting a pretty gold swirl on top. So here's the green. I'm just going to add that in. And then the red. And those cups that I use for the colorants, they're actually biodegradable. Alright, and here's the mold, and I'm going to pour in this first color, this base color here. And unfortunately I was holding the stick blender and wasn't paying attention, and of course it's completely blocking your view. So I apologize for that. And we're just going to blend up the green next, and then after that's well mixed, I'll go ahead and add the red, or blend the red. And this just takes a couple seconds to get the color mixed in because I already had it mixed in oil before I added it to the soap. And then I'm just cleaning up these spots here. These towels work really good for cleaning up the messes with the soap. And then here I'm adding the green. And this is sort of just like a drop swirl with the different colors. This ends up looking really nice when it's cut. There's the rest of the green. Of course I'm gonna clean that up and then tap out the bubbles. We're going to add the gold to the top. I'm just going to add gold lines, and I'm trying to fill in the gaps there. I'm not sure how important it is to be completely accurate with the lines, but I was trying to fill them in. And this is the next one. And then the last line. And then I'm just going to use a chopstick like usual to drag through and make a pattern. I like how simple and elegant the tops look with this kind of design. And then I'll just bring it up close so you can see. The gold is going to be a very pretty metallic gold. It's going to add just enough accent, I think. Now, of course, the footage of me cutting it is some of the footage that I lost. So here's how they look after they've been cut. You can see it has the kind of neutral yellowish base with the red and green swirls, and then the pretty gold top. And this is how I trim the bars. So I decided, since I couldn't save the footage of me slicing the bars, I'll include this footage of me trimming the corners, or trimming the edges. And this just makes the bars of soap a little bit more comfortable to hold. And it gives them a nice finished look. Here's the second bar. You can see how nice and vibrant the colors are. I think it looks like tulips on this side. It's really pretty. And of course the gold swirl top. If you decide you like these soaps, they'll be available in my Etsy shop on December 1st. I'll leave a link below in the description. And these smell really nice. It's not an overpowering fragrance. It's woodsy, and of course you can smell the cranberries. This is the third bar, and that again, it looks like tulips to me for some reason on that side. I think it's really pretty. I think the colors and the design are really nice for the holidays, but of course still look good any time of the year. And there's the finished bar on the last one. I'll have some photos here. Please consider giving this video a like and subscribing if you want to see more videos from me with my soaps. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.